Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my respected ma'am and my dear class fellows. I hope you are all well at your homes. My name is Sajjad Ali. My today presentation topic is 3D इंटरनेट। सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स बताऊंगा। नंबर 1, इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हाट इज़ 3D इंटरनेट, वाई 3D इंटरनेट, आर्किटेक्चर एंड कंपोनेंट्स, एवोल्यूशंस ऑफ 3D इंटरनेट, 2D टेक्नोलॉजी एंड 3D टेक्नोलॉजी, future of 3D internet, applications, advantages and disadvantages, examples of 3D internet. Introduction. 3D इंटरनेट साइबर स्पेस, बाहमी बातचीत, कारोबार और तफरीह को सरगर्म करने में एक मरकज़ी किरदार अदा करता है, जबकि 2D वेबसाइट, डॉक्यूमेंट और तस्वीर पर मुश्तमिल होती है। इसी तरह 2D वेबसाइट के अंदर डेवलपर को अपने यूज़र को नेविगेशनल हेल्प देना पड़ती है, वरना वो जल्द या बदेर अपने यूज़र को खो सकता है। इसी तरह 3D इंटरनेट दर हकीकत डाटा को मुंज़िम करने का बेहतरीन तरीका है, जिसको हर शख्स जानता और इस्तेमाल करता है। What is 3D internet? The 3D internet is combination of two powerful forces, the internet and 3D graphics. The result is interactive, real-time 3D graphics delivered over the web. Images instead of words. It is a powerful new way to reach customers, partners, co-workers and students. Why 3D internet? 3D internet can help easy social interaction. It can make interesting 3D shopping. The game mode in 3D internet more interesting. Distance learning is a joyous experience. To represent interior design effectively, architecture and components. Number 1, world server. World server provide user or server side created static and dynamic content, making up the specific web place. It includes visual, physics engine, avatar data, media and more to client programs. Number 2, avatar or ID server, virtual identity management system containing identity, avatar information and inventory of registered users, providing these to individual world servers and relevant client programs while ensuring privacy and security of stored information. Number 3, universal location servers, virtual location management system similar and including current DNS, providing virtual geographical information as well as connection to the internet via methods similar to SL and URL. They can also act as a distributed directory of the world, avatar servers and users. Number 4, clients, browsers like Weaver programs running on users' computers with extensive networking, caching and 3D rendering capabilities. Additional components of the 3D internet include web places and 3D object creation and editing. Evolution of 3D Internet. Number 1. Web 1.0. Web 1.0, first phase of the World Wide Web. Edited only by webmasters. Similar to a handwritten notebook. Threatened to paranoid perception. Number 2. Web 2.0. The Web 2.0, everyone can contribute to the web. Rich user interface and best in class graphics. 85% majority websites in Web 2.0. Change in inevitable. Number 3. Web 3.0. Use of metaverse in web technology. The rise of intelligent system. Birth of the most awaited future in internet, web page and web places. आगे 2D and 3D technology. What 2D technology? 2D technology less interactive, more wastage of time, lack of proper representation. 3D technology. 3D technology make more interactive, reduced mouse movements, simple yet effective representations, increased speed of working. आगे applications of 3D internet. E-commerce, training, gaming, entertainment. Examples of 3D internet. 3D mouse and vision station. 3D mouse. Time saving, easy to handle, increased design performance, sensitive controller cap. आगे vision station. Vision station display device in 3D internet. Uses a computer display technology. Provides 180 degree of viewing angle. Advantages of 3D internet. More interactive. Reduce mouse movement. Simple yet effective representation. Increased speed of working. आगे disadvantages of 3D internet. The limited effectiveness of traditional media techniques. Lack of an effective way for enabling people in virtual world. And inconsistent enabling involved participants to easily interact with the assessed video, rich multimedia and web content. Thanks.